Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the Empire token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step everything you have to do in order to buy this token. But before we get started here, I'm just going to remind everyone that I do have daily cryptocurrency videos coming on this channel, showing you guys things like how to buy, how to sell, and lots more to do with the space. So if you guys are new to crypto and you're interested in the space and you want to learn lots more about the space, I really recommend subscribing, as I'll have lots of content coming out now and into the future. Anyhow, first things first here, we're just going to head over to our Trust Wallets. I'm just going to let everyone know I'm not going to show you how to create your Trust Wallet or how to buy or transfer BNB inside of this video here. If you guys need to learn how to do either of those two things, I will have separate tutorials linked in the description and in the comment section down below if you guys need to learn how to do that first. But in this video, I'm basically going to be showing you as if you had the BNB in your Trust Wallet ready to go. So all we have to do is go down to our BNB wallets. You just want to make sure that you have your BNB inside of your smart chain wallet, or else it will not show up on PancakeSwap. So if you have your currency inside of the BNB wallet, all you have to do to swap it to your smart chain wallet is click on the wallet, click on swap, and then you'll see a swap to smart chain option here. So you're going to make sure that you swap what you want to spend over to your smart chain wallet, or else it will not show as a balance in PancakeSwap. So that's very important. But once you have your currency inside of your smart chain wallet, you are now ready to get the contract address for the token. So I'll have a separate link in the description for CoinMarketCap. That's where we're going to go to get our contract address to paste it into our Trust Wallet. So you guys can just head over to that link I have in the description, and then I'll show you guys what to do next. And once you guys are on CoinMarketCap here, all we have to do is go down where you see contracts, and we're just going to go beside where that little MetaMask logo is and click on these two little squares. Once you do that, it'll copy the address. We could then go back into our Trust Wallets. And once we're back in our Trust Wallets, we just want to go to the top right of the screen where we see the two lines and two circles and click on that. And then you'll see a top search bar here. So we can go ahead and paste the address in this top search. We'll then see the Empire token pop up here. So we can enable the token and then click on done. Once we have the token inside of here, we can now head over to PancakeSwap to actually swap the tokens. So if you guys just go to the next link I have in the description for PancakeSwap, it'll bring you there. Or of course, you can go ahead and Google PancakeSwap and go to the website yourself. And then I'll show you guys what to do once you're on the website. Now, once you guys are on PancakeSwap, all we have to do is go to the top right corner of our screen where we see the Connect Wallet button and click on Connect Wallet. We will then see four options here: Wallet Connect, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and more. We're going to be using Wallet Connect in this tutorial, so we can go ahead and click on Wallet Connect. We will then see an option to choose your preferred wallets. So we're going to want to go ahead and click on Trust Wallet here, but you guys can do this method with MetaMask or Rainbow Wallet if you would like to. I'm just going to be showing you guys with Trust Wallet today. So we're going to click on Trust Wallet. Then it's just going to open up the screen in our Trust Wallet telling us that PancakeSwap wants to connect to our Trust Wallet. So we're going to go ahead and click on Connect and then head back over to PancakeSwap. Once we're back in PancakeSwap here, we'll know we're connected when we see our wallet icon in the top right corner, as well as our balance of BNB right above BNB right here. And like I said before earlier in the video, if you guys do not see a balance here, it's simply because you have your BNB inside of your BNB wallet and not in your smart chain wallet. So you're going to want to make sure you have that done. But all we have to do now is click on Select a Currency and paste that same contract address up in this section right here. Once we do that, we'll see Empire token, so we can click on Import, I understand, and then Import. Now, once we have this in here, we just have to change our slippage tolerance. So we can go to this little settings gear beside Exchange and click on that. And then under Swaps and Liquidity, we'll see Slippage Tolerance right here. Now, the Slippage Tolerance is always going to change because it depends on the liquidity in the token at the time that you're watching this video. So for right now, I do anywhere from 8 to 10%, but you might have to adjust that depending when you're doing this. So you guys can try doing a little bit more and then seeing if it goes through. It will not go through if the slippage tolerance isn't high enough. So just be aware of that. If you get any errors and stuff like that, you may have to adjust the slippage tolerance. But I'm going to start off with 8 to 10%. So we can just leave that as that. And then here, all we have to do is decide how much BNB that we want to transfer into the Empire token. So let's just say, for example, I want to do 1 BNB. I can go ahead and type 1 BNB in, and then it will show me the estimated amount I'm going to get in exchange. Now, if you guys are okay with what you see here on your screens, you guys can just click the swap button where it says insufficient BNB balance for me. Once you guys click on swap, it's going to show you a broken down version of your transaction, showing you your fees and things like that. Now, if you're comfortable with those fees, you can go ahead and click on swap one more time, and then you will get a successful transaction notice. Once you receive that notice, we can then exit out of here and go back into our Trust Wallets, and then our tokens will arrive here usually within a couple minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to buy the Empire token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. If this video helps you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.